This is cabin 9890. This is an aft-facing suite with large balcony. This is not in the Haven, everybody. So here is your nice living area, sofa. In some cabins, this can become a bed. Across from this, you have your nice TV, coffee machine. There's a mini fridge down there, drawer, plenty of power here, and then access to the large balcony. And I mean large balcony. Some of it is covered, as you see right here. This is all covered with a nice big table and loungers, but you also have this expansive space to come out here. Large balcony.
That is a large balcony.
That is a large balcony. Again, we'll just get a nice look at that again. This has its own master bedroom. Here is your walk-in closet. Beautiful walk-in closet. This can either be two twins or a king like you see it. There's power, a USB and US next to the bed, and a nice TV at the foot of the bed. Don't forget this can become two twins if you don't want the king. Here is the master, which you have a toilet in a good place for someone my height at 6'4". Nice lighted mirror. There's power up here. Love the big sink and a nice generous walk-in shower with a handheld rain shower head. So there is your aft-facing suite with large balcony. Ciao.